right, good morning. It is 5:30 and we are headed to the Wilson 100. Brag's gonna go down there, serve up some coffee, tell people about Bragg, ride the ride, and just serve the cycling community. Today with me we got Stephanie. This is 5:30 in the morning, Stephanie. And Kyle's on his way, and then we're gonna head down to Senoia. So we got here, we got a squeeze. I think we got about maybe a few inches on each side here. So we arrived here and got set up, and we're getting the coffee going. It's looking real good this morning. Everybody's over there getting registered for the ride. I think they're taking off around 7:30 for the Century. Spotted a spring tune-up kit from this year. It's the best looking jersey.
It is. I love it.
And I'm wearing the same one today. We're gonna match today. How do you feel about that?
I had to go back and buy the shorts because I don't usually buy the shorts.
But they look so good. They look so good. Kyle got a new helmet.
It's nice and shiny.
Trying to keep his moneymaker safe.
It's true. It's important.
Repping Northside. I like it. All right, and we're off. Start of the 30 miler. Police escort. Stephanie's dropping gears back there.
We got 2 stereos with surround sound.
Surround sound stereos on this ride. It's the first time we've actually figured it out. All right, so I think we're 15 miles in and made it to the first rest stop.
We got Wonder Bread peanut butter and jellies. These wonderful ladies helping us out.
So we're the first ones here, huh? Does that mean we're the fastest ones at the Wilson 100? Yes!
Let's go with that. High five.
So how does third place feel?
Feels good.
I'm just
Feels
messing
good. Glad to be here.
I'm just messing with
Bronze
you.
medal winner.
Here's your calorie juice right here, pickle juice.
Nice.
Oh, look at
We got some
this.
pretzels, nuts, pickle juice, pickles, bars, figs, Wonder Bread PB&Js, and oranges.
Oranges and grapes.
Nice. Oranges and grapes. All right, this is Walt here who helps put on the Wilson 100. Thanks for putting together a good ride.
Yeah, thanks for being here.
How's it going today?
Doing well, great weather. Lots of people here having a great time.
Did you sag anybody?
Not yet.
So is this your first sag customer?
It's the first SAG guy right there. He's out on the, he wiped out at the rest stop.
Dude, weak sauce.
Yeah, I'm just gonna stay here.
Weak sauce. Coming up on Stephanie and Kyle. You must have sat in a rocking chair. Yep. How's it going? Awesome sauce? All right, so this is the tandem. Y'all say y'all got married, what, a year ago?
Yes, we did.
A month ago. And you're putting your marriage through the stress test of a tandem.
We are.
How's it going?
For break.
That's right.
Oh, hi Franklin, I'm Julie.
Hey, Julie.
Hi.
How's your experience on the tandem?
Wonderful.
Now, are you stroking or are you steering?
I'm stroking.
Or stoking, right? Stoking.
Stoking. I'm
Stoking.
stoking. He's the steer.
There we go.
So, yeah, I love the outfit.
Oh, thanks. All right, we got a quick 30 in. Now we're pulling back in through downtown Senoia. How's the ride?
Awesome. Great weather. Nice quiet rides. Much more.
Bro, we freaking crushed it.